Let's learn how to block someone on Instagram if they have already blocked you. If you want to block someone who has already blocked you but don't know how to do it, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you will know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app. After opening Instagram, make sure you are logged into the correct account. Once Instagram is open, you need to click on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you click on it, it will take you to your profile page. On that page, you need to click on one of your posts. Once you do that, you need to write a comment on that post. In that comment, you need to tag the person who has blocked you. For example, Miljan Jankovic has blocked me and I will tag him now. When you do that, you need to click on their name in that comment. This will take you to their profile page. On that page, you need to click on the 3 dots located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on that, a menu will open with several options. From those options, you need to click on the block option, and once you do that, you have successfully blocked the person who blocked you. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.